Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McLaren believes that Trinidad and Tobago have strengthened their squad and won't be easy as they set to face the Twin Island Republic in a crucial penultimate World Cup qualifier on Thursday. Leading the way are the Jamaicans, who are on 9 points in Group B, 1 ahead of Curacao and 4 more than Trinidad and Tobago. They got the better of the Twin Island Republic 2-0 in their first encounter, but coach Steve McLaren says their opponents are a better team now.
Been very lucky, I thought, twice against Curacao. So we know this is not going to be easy tomorrow. That has to fight through.
McLaren also believes that one aspect of their game needs to be at their best to get a positive result.
Trinidad is very good, very strong, powerful with the ball, but very good individual players. Change again. Make something from nothing. So we need to defend well. If we don't defend well, there's a chance of losing.
Jamaica will close out the group next Tuesday against Curacao in a game that will decide who gets the right to play at the FIFA Showpiece in 2026. West Indies captain Shea Hope says they need to improve batting in the top order as the Caribbean men went down by 8 wickets to hosts New Zealand in the 5th and final T20 International in Dunedin on Thursday to lose the series 3-1. Sent to bat, the Caribbean side were reduced to 21 for 4 at one stage before they were eventually dismissed for 140 in 18.4 overs. Roston Chase top scored with 38, while Romario Shepherd also made 38 and Jason Holder made 20. Jacob Duffy took 4 for 35 and Jimmy Neesham 2 for 31 for New Zealand. In reply, the hosts raced to 141 for 2 in 15.1 overs to achieve victory. Devon Conway was left unbeaten on 47, while Tim Robinson made 45. There was a wicket each for Shamar Springer and Romario Shepherd.
Probably has been our Achilles heel for this series. Unfortunately, as batters, we didn't assess and adapt it as quickly as we should have, or wanted to, I should say. But credit still must be given to the guys in the lower half for putting their hands up. We may have given them a bit too much work to do in the back end as batters, but it's certainly an area that we need to improve quickly going into this ODI series as well. Take all the learnings that we could have gained from this series, whether it's the lengths that they bowl, the conditions that we got to face.
The teams will now turn their attention to their ODI series, which bowls off on Saturday. And finally, Jamaica made a winning start at the FIBA Women's Caribbean Basketball Championship in Ghana on Wednesday, easily dismissing Suriname 86-47. The Jamaicans dominated from the opening whistle to lead 37-8 at the end of the first quarter, 50-24 at halftime, and 73-32 at the end of the third quarter. Despite Suriname winning the final quarter 15-13, the Jamaicans comfortably closed out the contest with a 39-point difference. The five-nation tournament also includes the Bahamas, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and hosts Guyana in a round-robin battle for 3 spots to the 2026 Central Basket Women's Championship, a key pathway to the FIBA America's Cup. Jamaica will meet the Bahamas in their next game on Friday. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.